So thank you all for joining. This is our MGM Member Get Member program. This webinar will explain all about it. So thank you again for joining, and we're excited to let you know more about this program. Okay, let's start.
So yeah, first of all, let's remember you about Outvise. So here at Outvise, we manage an experienced network of digital and TMT experts who can be reached at the touch of a button. If you, for example, need highly skilled people to deliver on your need, or maybe you need someone to lead and manage a specific project or team, we will be there to support you and bring this talent. So this is about us, and what we are doing in this webinar is to explain one of our features, which is the MGM. MGM stands for Member Gets Member. It's our referral program, and we will share some advantages of this type of programs first. Then we will explain you how it works at Outvise. We will share with you the testimony of one of our experts who managed to place a person from his network in a project where he himself was not available. We will also explain you how it works step by step. How do you do to refer a colleague from your own network, and how do you do to claim this 500 euro reward? So yeah, that being said, Marty. Of course, yeah. So this webinar will be led by my colleague Martina Basaure, who is Outvise Community Manager. You will also find the testimony of Bertrand Roten, who is a freelance product consultant who has referred, as I mentioned before, someone from his network, and is very happy to share with us his experience. And I will be sharing some hints and some tips when it comes to working with MGM.
Perfect. So what are the advantages of employee referrals? Okay, so basically hiring time and cost is less. Also, you have a better conversation rate, which is awesome. Then you strengthen your network incredibly. As well, you qualify to higher improves. Then you have a better employee retention rate, which is awesome as well. And for the hard roles, it's easier to find better candidates. And obviously, you boost the employer branding. Okay, so what is Member MGM? So Ceci already explained it a little, but let's get into it deeper. So it's a program which we called Member Get Member. So if you're already a member of Outvise and you recommend any expert to join our network, you get automatically 500 euros by bringing talent to our clients that are looking for.
Let me make just one comment there. The reward is only given when the person is placed at one of the client's projects. So if the client qualifies this person and decides that, hey, it's a good expert I want to work with, then the referral will receive this bonus.
Exactly. If it's selected, then you get the bonus. So what are the benefits? So obviously the financial boost, like we mentioned before, it's 500 euros. And of course, you build your referral network, which is amazing.
So yeah, you may have the following question, and it's how it works and how can you bring talent to this network? How can you refer someone, maybe when you're not interested in a project or position, or maybe you're not available, or you decide that it's not the time for you to make a change, but you know someone who's actively looking for a new position. So basically, first of all, you have to make sure that you are registered in, or not registered, sorry, you have to be logged in the platform as a freelancer. So once you logged into the platform, Marty, can we move to the next? Yeah. So maybe you can see here it better. So once you logged in as a freelancer, you will be accessing the opportunities hub, and there you will be able to check all the opportunities available at the moment at our page. So once you find, or once you see the opportunity where you want to refer your colleague, you can enter to it right by clicking the name of the opportunity of the position, and then scrolling all the way down to the end of the page, you will find this little blue button where it says invite a friend to apply. By clicking on that button, you will have two options in order to share the position. The first option is to send an email to the person that you want to refer, or the person that you want to say, hey, look, this position looks interesting for you. And the other way is to share directly the link with them using any other channel, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, so you can let them know that there is an active position that might be good for them. And yeah. So once you have referred a person, you can also check with the recruiter who's in charge of the position. You will be receiving emails from this person, or you can communicate with them directly using some other features on our page. And you can check maybe the status of your MGM. You can check what's the progress on his application. You can see if he has succeeded into the interviews with the client. So we can actively support you with all your questions.
Yes. Okay, what are the conditions to obtain this reward? Okay, first of all, you need the referral expert must have a relevant fit for the opportunity. Also, they must be new to the platform and invited by you. And last but not least, you will be rewarded once your referral expert is accepted by the client and the first invoice to the client is issued.
Yeah. So these are the 3 rules we have at the moment. There are some things that are under review, improvement. So but basically, this is what you have to tick, all the boxes that you have to tick in order to receive this bonus.
Yes. So here we have our latest winner, which is Bertrand Rodent. He will give us a small testimony on his experience with MGM. So here we go.
Hey, Outvise folks. My name is Bert, and I'm a freelance product manager in IT. I just wanted to share my experience with you regarding the Members Get Members program. So Outvise sent me this project proposal that I was not able to fulfill myself, but I happened to know a friend who was able to recommend. Then eventually the client picked that friend of mine, and Outvise messaged me saying that I was eligible for a referral bonus. So my recommendation is, if you know someone who can do it, if you can't, refer them.
Okay, so that was our small testimony. So he was our latest winner. So any of you have any questions regarding MGM? Let's see. We have one question.
Okay, so what happens if a referral is already registered in Outvise? So usually and unluckily, you wouldn't be eligible for the bonus, but I think it's because maybe this person already knows about Outvise. So the idea is to get to know more people, to get to expand the network. So unlikely, yeah, if the person is already registered, you wouldn't be eligible for the referral bonus.
Okay, great reply. Any other question? Maybe. Okay.
Okay, so how can you know if the person that you have referred has been selected by the client for a project? So usually the recruiter who is managing the position will inform you. So you can check with them in time if you have any questions, if you want to have an update, but usually you will be informed directly, as it was the case for Bertrand.
Perfect. Any other question? Yes, of course, we'll be sharing the recording and we'll send it to your email, so don't worry about it. Don't you worry, I'll send it to you. Okay, any other questions or that's it? Okay, let's continue. Okay, so for our next webinar, Get Hired with Outvise. So one of our amazing recruiters, Peter, will give you all the insights on how you can land your next project with us. So stay tuned and we'll keep you posted. And yeah, thank you so much, everybody, for joining. This was a quick webinar, but I hope it was useful. And if you have any other questions regarding MGM, don't doubt to contact us. And we'll be happy to help you and give you all more info. So thank you, Ceci, for helping me with the webinar. And yeah, have an awesome afternoon.
It's been a pleasure. And thank you everyone for joining.
Yes, thank you. Bye.